Emmanuel Shekharan, Beed Badakam, Emmanuel Shekharan K,
Beed Badakam,
Emmanuel Shekharan K,
Beed Badakam,
Beed Badakam, Emmanuel Shekharan K, Beed Badakam, Emmanuel Shekharan K, Beed Badakam.
Before watching the video, if you've not subscribed to BBCI channel, please press the subscription icon and do press the bell icon to keep getting regular updates.
मोही तो ही अंतर कैसा तो ही मोही तो ही अंतर कैसा कनक कटक जलता रंग जैसा कनक कटक जलता रंग जैसा तो ही मोही तो ही अंतर कैसा तो ही मोही तो ही अंतर कैसा
Is the day today is the great day in the history of world because we are celebrating the martyr day of Shaheed Emmanuel Shekharan, who was murdered by the higher castes in Parampudi, who was always worried for uplift the native Indians. We can say Dravid peoples, Mool Nivasi peoples, Adivasi peoples, Adi Dharm peoples. So the system was huge atrocity in India for our community. He was serving Indian Army in 1944 and Baba Bantaram Gheda, founder All India Adi Dharm Mission, he was also serving Indian Army. Unfortunately, both came in one Kent and became fast friend due to same thinking, which was the same thinking uplift our downtrodden peoples. So Baba Bantaram Gheda was serving in army as well as he was religious preacher also. One day he felt by the colleagues not a human being. All the peoples are hating him because of he belonged to Chamar, he belonged to scheduled caste. Something happened which we are now, due to the time, we are not disclosing. Next time we will disclose that story. Baba Bantaram Gheda and Shaheed Emmanuel Shekharan felt huge atrocity by the others continuously facing. they decided to resign from the army and start the charity. It means to uplift our SC community, scheduled caste community, scheduled tribes community, we can say Adivasi, Mulwasi, Adharmi peoples. For them they start the job. And one thing happened during the army, last days of the job of Baba Bantaram Kheda, someone pinpoint him, where is your guru had born, whether you know why you are speaking so much about Guru Das. Because Baba Bantaram Kheda was well knowing of Guru Granth Sahib, Gurbani, his meaning of the Gurbanis, and the place in the Guru Granth Sahib of Guru Ramdas. As we heard now from Sant Sarvadas Ji Maharaj, Qaumi President of Aad Dharm Sant Samaj, so he also given the speech, given the satsang, how the first place was in the Guru Granth Sahib of Guru Ravidas Ji. As Guru Nanak, other Gurus wrote the script in Guru Granth Sahib. So they start the job due to Kamalur Shekharan belongs to South India. He started his job in South India. Baba Bantaram Kheda start in North India, and they start from first day to find where Guru Ravidas had born. Where is that religious and historical and Pavitra Sthan, holy place. So that holy place, as Sant Sarvadas Ji told, when we grew up, we were not knowing where is Guru Das, where is the place of Guru Das, holy place where there he is born. So same thing happened in India through the all saints and through all our community peoples. But Baba Bantaram Kheda start this job as after resign from the army, he joined railway as class 4 employee. He was not less qualified, he was highly qualified, but he chose the job of the class 4 because he was knowing, if I have high post, I have to make myself busy with my job. But when I have low grade job, I can spare my time to go in the place where their Guru Das has born. That holy place was the aim for the Baba Bantaram Kheda. Then what he did, he made the first union, railway union. Who is the founder of the railway union? That is also Baba Bantaram Kheda. And he make the union, and then he start to go to the Banaras. As we are related with history and other Granths, Shri Guru Granth Sahib, inside we are now even we can read that Guru Ravidas Ji is living nearby Banaras. So Baba Bantaram Kheda start, and there is also huge story how he succeed. That is also other story we will disclose in next time, and we will write also in English and Hindi and Punjabi. So now what happened? There is South India, where Baba Bantaram Kheda found holy place of birthplace of Guru Ravidas in Sir Govardhanpur, Kashi. There South India was huge atrocity, and there was not such like North India. In North India, not such like Delhi and Punjab, people are aware. There was less awareness, so people join with the Amanu Shekhan, but not in big numbers, and who they don't want to uplift our downtrodden peoples, they murdered on the day of 11 September 1956, they murdered our great leader Shaheed Amanu Shekhan in Paramakuri. From that day, Baba Bantaram Gida disconnected with Amanu Shekhan, and he was continuously working in North India. But he always went in RCF, rail coach factory in Chennai. Even he reached up to Madurai. But after Madurai, he was looking the place of land of Flora. But due to the less source, due to the less communication, he leave his coach, leave his mission, leave his job incomplete for us. Then our devotees of Guru Ravidas, they choose me as a national president in 2001, 30th January, in the leadership of Sant Sarvadas Maharaj and other many sons and many intellectuals, they choose me as a national president. That time I was not knowing much about Guru Das and about mission. But when they put me in a bumper, in the front of bumper, that time I tried to study what Baba Bantaram Gida need. Then it related with Bhau Manguram Mogowalia, who have wrote so many literatures. As we know, on 11 and 12th June 1926, they made according to circumstances, they make one sketch how we can survive, how we can live freely in India. He gave us slogan Jai Gurudev, and then he gave the Bole Sonar Bhai Satguru Das Maharaj ki Jai, Bole Sonar Bhai Bhagwan Valmiki Maharaj ki Jai. He gave these slogans, and then he told and he given us one nishan, who was Sohang. So Sohang, Jai Gurudev, Dhan Gurudev, and Bole Sonar Bhai Satguru Das Maharaj ki Jai, Bole Sonar Bhai Bhagwan Valmiki Maharaj ki Jai. This slogan was given by that time in huge conference, which was presiding by Bhau Manguram Mogowalia. So now we came to know myself. Our aim is, the mission aim is, first aim is to find the places where their Guru Das has given the preaches, that place, that city, and the people from that area, our community people, to choose the place, find the place, and hand over to the local, our native Indians, that place. So according to that, we succeed after 2-3 years with the intellectuals in the presidentship of Sant Sarvadas Ji Maharaj. We succeed in after 3 years, we found the land of Alora near to Pipur. From 2011, we are continuously going and participating lakhs peoples in all over India and from North India in the leadership of Sant Sarvadas. So now we are today, due to Corona, COVID-19, we couldn't celebrate in Salur in Paramakuri. So we today from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. we have celebrated already in morning time with all over India, with devotees of Guru Das, devotees of Bhagwan Valmiki, devotees of Guru Kabir Maharaj Ji, and our Adi Mahapurush devotees. And same time we deliver the message in that webinar. And now today in this meeting and this program, there was 2 programs. One program was the Sant Samaj. Now we have Sant Samaj with me, Sant Harjit Singh Ji, who is hosting this program, Sant Sarvadas Ji, Qaumi President, संत रामरतन जी, संत सुखदास जी दादरा, संत दयाल चंद जी, संत सोहन सिंह जी, संत निरंजन दास जी, संत हरबंस सिंह जी, संत हीरा सिंह जी फौजी, संत कान सिंह जी, संत सतविंदर हीरा दास, प्रधान बलबीर महे जी, इंचार्ज कमल जनागल जी, वाइस प्रेजिडेंट बंका चुंबर जी, एग्जीक्यूटिव साढ़े बहुत ही आवर रिस्पैक्टेड श्री सरवण राणा जी, श्री चमन लाल जी, श्रीमान श्री राम जी दास, श्री मनीष जनागल, श्री बुट्टू महे, श्री प्रगट सिंह जी, भाई प्रगट सिंह जी, भाई रोहित जी, भाई मस्तान जी and others. So we are celebrating today here with our intellectuals and special type or special time. We are celebrating our community leaders, sons and our leaders for this evening that which we spent in from last decade. We are celebrating this program this eve in Paramkudi. Due to Corona, this eve we are celebrating here, and we tribute to behalf of All India Adi Dharm Mission, behalf of Sant Sarwan Das ji, Qaumi President Adi Dharm Sant Samaj, and all our saints and our intellectuals and our mission leaders. We special tribute to on the day 11th September eve. We are to Shaheed 11th September eve. We are to Shaheed Amanu Shekhars, and few 2-3 minutes I will let you know how we start in Tamil Nadu, which was break after 1956, and we start in 2011. Around more than 50 years we were not communicated by Tamil Nadu and Punjab, but in 2011 in month June and July, myself, my wife and my daughter took the bless from Sant Sarwan Das ji and start our journey from Ludhiana station to Chennai, and we contact our native Indians. First of all, they were not agreed to meet us because they were doubt why we are coming to Chennai. So they took my meeting in park, Marina Beach Park in Chennai, and person was Chief Manager Mr. Raju Gopal. After screening myself by Mr. Raju Gopal, they allow me to meet Mr. Jeevan and other leaders, our community leaders. They were living in Chennai to Madurai. Means Chennai to Madurai around 650 kilometers. Mr. Jeevan and other leaders were waiting. If Mr. Hira pass in screening, then sent to Madurai. After I took a night journey by bus, early morning we went in Madurai, where Mr. Palni and Maharajan, Mr. Palni and Mr. Maharajan receive us at bus stand Madurai, and they took us by auto rickshaw to hotel, and then we stay in hotel fresh. After take the breakfast, Mr. Jeevan Malla, who is professional by profession, he is advocate. We start our discussion. After discussion, by the grace of God, by the grace of Guru Das, by the bless of Sant Sarwan Das ji, I also passed in that hotel, and they agreed to make my satsang in Madurai. Then next day they booked the hall. That hall name is TTS Madurai. They called their missionary peoples from different districts. Around 25 peoples came from Kanyakumari, from Chennai, from other states, Madurai and other states, other districts. And I start my message, I start my lecture with the bless of Guru Das and Bani of Guru Das. Sat Sangat mil rahi hai madhu. This Bani I start deliver and I explain according to what I learned from Sant Sarwan Das ji and the books of Professor Lal Singh. I delivered after my lecture, after complete the program, when we came out the hall, almost all 20 peoples, 22 peoples or 25 people who they listen my speech, everybody was saying, I want bee, honeybee, I want honeybee, I want bee, honeybee. So everybody was saying, we want to do this job, we want work this, we want work on the Adharam, we want work on the Guru Das mission. Or first time they were not knowing of picture of Guru Das. Then we start, I told already how we find the place of land of Ellora. So now today I thanks all saints, especially thanks to Sant Sarwan Das ji, Sant Ramratan ji and others who they, even though Corona is there, COVID-19 is there, they have arranged this program. And special thanks to Sant Harjit Singh ji who have hosted this all program, and this all expenditure is spending by Sant Harjit Singh. We are special thanks to Sant Harjit Singh ji and all our president, Sant and other, our missionary president, Shri Balbir Mahe ji, in charge Kamal Janagal ji, as well as all we have given the names before. And I also special thanks to the Tamil Nadu peoples, where there is a Mr. Advocate, special thanks to Mr. Jeevan Mallar on this eve, Mr. Ramajian, Mr. Raju Gopal, Mr. Palni, Mr. Mani Vasgam, Mr. Shashikaran, Mr. Maharajan, and from Chennai, special thanks Mr. Rajan, who always receive us in Chennai, and special thanks to our MP Mr. JP Malla. And I also share one thing, our Brahmleen Sant Jogendra Pal Jori ji also went in Tamil Nadu, not in the Barsi Samadham, even other places. He conducted the 3 marriages according to the Adham, where in Tamil Nadu. We also, myself, Mr. JP Mallar, son, and there is one other guy, 2 marriages, myself, blessed with the Sant Sarwan Das ji, I conducted 2 marriages according to Adharam in Tamil Nadu. So now the system in Punjab and system in Dravid, they both peoples of devotee of Guru Das, devotee of Bhagwan Valmiki, they are becoming each other's, and they are now they are speaking in Tamil, they are speaking mingling. So now we are mingling, and this eve we hope by the grace of Guru Das we will be success, and we reach our goal. And special thanks to Guru Das, Bhagwan Valmiki, Adi Mahapurush, who they blessed us, and today we success this eve on the name of Shri Emmanuel Shekharan. Emmanuel Shekharan, Beed Badakkam, Emmanuel Shekharan ke Beed Badakkam, Emmanuel Shekharan ke
Beed Badakkam, Beed Badakkam,
Beed Badakkam, Beed Badakkam,
Beed Badakkam, Beed Badakkam,
Emmanuel Shekharan ke Beed Badakkam,
Beed Badakkam, Beed Badakkam,
Emmanuel Shekharan ke Beed Badakkam,
Beed Badakkam, Beed Badakkam.
बोले सो निर्भय सतगुरुदास
महाराज की जय।
बोले सो निर्भय भगवान
वाल्मीकि महाराज की जय।
जय गुरुदेव।
धन गुरुदेव।
We can create even casteless society only by becoming rulers of India.